Welcome to Mechanical Tutorials. I'm going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. Hi, today I'm going to explain about how to create multi-bodies in sheet metal module. So there are four methods. One is with a base flange option like a tab feature and convert to sheet metal, insert bends and lofted bend. So base flange or tab is like creating tab, and converting to sheet metal like creating a solid body and converting into sheet metal. Next is taking a extruded part and inserting the bends, then using loft option. So let's start now how to create. See, I have created simple flat sheet. And this is a simple rectangle. So select this and go to tab feature. So initially when we create, I will hide these sketches. Now it is merged with the main flat sheet. So now what we have to do is we have to edit feature and uncheck merge results. Say OK. So now these two are two different bodies. See here, these two are two different bodies. Now see, I have created one more rectangle on the same plane, same front plane. See here, select the sketch and go to extrude. So increase the height. So this is how. So this is a convert to sheet metal. So we have to go to sheet metal module and convert to sheet metal. Here we have to select one face and we have to select bend edges. So I am selecting this one and all four. Automatically it selects the ribs. So we have to say OK. See, this is so here we can see one more multi-body added. So next option is insert bend. So select this sketch. I have created sketch on the front plane. select the sketch and go to extruded boss. Since it is a open loop, it takes as a thin feature. So say OK. Now we have to go to sheet metal, insert bend and select any face. So one more sheet metal component is created. See here. So next is lofted bend. So I have created two sketches. So in sheet metal we have to go to loft and select these two sketches. So we can see here one more multi-body. Okay. So these are the four methods to create multi-bodies. One with tab, convert to sheet metal, insert bend, lofted bend. Thank you.